With this strategy, which I'm going to show you right here in today's video, you can easily make money with CPA marketing like I did right here, or you could also go on to making money just by completing some simple tasks. So I would like you to go on to watching this video to the end so you do not miss out on this important strategy right now, as this could actually help you even as a beginner to go on to making money online with CPA marketing. And also guys, if you're new to my channel, I basically create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the use of other AI tools. So if you do like such content, make sure you scroll through my channel and actually do watch such videos out there, because they can also be helpful to you in making extra income online. And guys, make sure you do subscribe to this channel and make sure your notification bell is turned on all, so that I do alert you whenever I release much more amazing videos that could be helpful to you right there. And with that being said, let's jump right ahead in today's video. So for this strategy right now guys, you can either use the CPA Grape right here, or you could go on to using the CPA Build or any other CPA marketing platform out there. If you don't have an account on CPA Build, click on register. You should be brought to this page. Fill out this form appropriately, and once you do fill out this form right here, agree to the terms of services, complete this reCAPTCHA, and just simply check these boxes right now. Click on register and your account should be created. Once your account gets created, you can then just simply go on to logging into your account. So as you can see right now guys, I'm actually logged into my account. You want to go onto this section which says offers. Click on all offers and you'll be brought to this page where you can just simply go on to checking out a lot of offers right here, which you could go on to promoting right now. But I'm just going to go on to filtering this offer right now to maybe a country such as the United States. So if I do come right here and type in something like the United States right here, I'm just going to be able to see offers available to the United States once I do click on search. And right now guys, as you can see in this section, all these offers are actually offers available to that demographic right now. And you can actually do see that these offers are quite cool and amazing, because some of these offers just require your leads to actually go on to completing a simple micro task by submitting their email addresses or zip code while going through a survey, by actually installing an application on their devices, and you do earn some cool cash right now. You may also want to just simply go on to filtering your offer by payout right now. If you do click on payout again, you can actually do see the highest paying offers. So if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see lots and lots of cool offers. Supposing I want to just simply promote this particular gift card offer right now, you can actually do see more details about this offer. And the cool thing right here is that you do get paid $3.36 for every successful lead which you do get to this offer. So in order for you to go on to promoting this offer right now, you could just simply click on get link, copy this your unique affiliate link, and try as much as possible to drive traffic to that. And what you want to do next guys is that you want to just simply create a simple landing page for this offer. And to create a landing page right now, you could use this particular website called the Google site. And if I come right here, click on this plus icon, I'll be taken to this page where I can just simply go on to deleting this entire section right here. By clicking on this icon, I could just simply go back to my offer, and I'm just going to go on to maybe collecting this particular title right now, which is this particular title right here. If I copy this, I'm going to head back to this section, add in a text box, and I'm just going to go on to pasting that right in here. So once that has actually been pasted, I can just simply go on to increasing the font size right now. So if I come right here and actually do go on to increasing the font size to something like this, or I could just simply take that to 30, and I can then just simply come right here, centralize this, and once this is done, I could just go back to my offer, download this particular image for the offer, and just simply download that on my device. So once the image has been downloaded, I'm going to head back to this section and actually do click on images. I'm going to click on upload and actually upload that image from my device. As you can see, this is the image right here. I can then just simply go on to maybe editing this particular image or reshaping the size right here. As you can see, this actually looks quite better. I can just simply go on to making this show quite better, and also go on to centralizing this. Once I'm done with that, I can then just simply go on to adding a button. And if I come right here, add in a button such as click here, I can then just simply come right here in this link section. You want to paste in the link to this offer right now. So if I do come right here, copy the link, and actually head back to this particular platform, paste in that link and click on insert, and I can just simply come right here and actually take this to this bottom section. So if I take this to this bottom section, you can see how it actually looks right now. Next, I can just simply click on publish and publish this page right here. So if I do select this domain right here, which is the 500 JetBlue gift card, or I could just simply select the JetBlue gift card. As you can see, this is not available, it has been taken, and this also has been taken right here. So this right here is actually available. If I do click on publish right now, as you can see, this page has actually been published. I can then just simply copy my link right now and go on to promoting that using this particular platform called Sprout Gigs. And with Sprout Gig right here, you can actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers using a paid system. But if you actually want to do this for absolutely free, I'm going to show you how you can actually go on to doing this. So you could just simply come right here and sign up for an account. You could either sign up as a worker or as an employer. It doesn't really matter which of the accounts which you do sign up for. You can do go on to interchanging or switching from an account to another once you actually do this particular or sign up on this particular platform. So right now I'm actually logged into my account right here. You can see right now I'm on the buyer section. I can actually do switch my account to the freelancer section, and you can see right here this has actually been switched. Now once that has actually been switched, guys, you want to just simply come right here, click on micro jobs, and if I do click on find jobs right here, it's going to take me to this page where you can see a lot of numerous offers right now, which you could just simply go on to completing and getting some cool commissions right now for completing such offers. You can see right now this is just to do the SEO plus promote content and get one engagement, and you do get this particular amount in cash. You can actually do keep on scrolling through and you'll be able to see lots and lots and lots of offers right here, which you can just simply go on to completing. So guys, you can see this one right here. You just simply subscribe for a YouTube channel or subscribe to the YouTube channel and you do get paid $3. This is quite cool right now. So you can actually go on to doing this right here and just simply get this particular amount right now. And the more you do complete offers, the more you do earn some cool cash right now. And once you do earn some cool cash, you can actually do that to go on to listing your offers among one of these for people to go on to completing. You can see so that most of these offers, people have actually completed them, and they are actually going to be remaining just little right now to get completed. So to actually list your offers among that, you want to switch back your account to the buyer section, and you want to just simply come right here to this section and just simply click on micro jobs, click on post job. Once you do that right here, you want to select the location which you want to promote your job to, and I can just simply select the USA and Western because that's the location which we are promoting our offer to. Right here you can see it says select all countries which you want to exclude from the selected zone. So I'm just going to select all countries except the United States. If I do click on apply and go to next, you want to select the kind of offer right now which you're actually promoting. So I could just simply come right here, select leads, and I can then just simply come to this section, choose the subcategory right now. You could just simply select any subcategory of your choice right here. Maybe I could just simply leave that as it is, or I could just simply select other leads. I click on apply and go to next. Right now you want to just simply go on to put in your job title. I can just simply put in something like simple survey. Right here you could just simply put in the steps for them to actually go on to completing that offer. You could put in something like step 1, click on the link below. You can see right here step 1 says click on the below link, step 2 says complete survey, and you can actually do put in the link right here to that particular landing page in this section, or you could then just simply add in more steps. You want to just simply scroll through until you could see right here which it says the required proof, and you want to just simply select a proof type. I do prefer the screenshot proof, and you could just simply put in like screenshot survey completion page. And once you are done with that, you can then just simply scroll through. You could add in questions, and you can then just simply click on apply and go to next. Right here you want to just simply go on to selecting the level, leave that on starter, and you want to fill out this section appropriately. You want to select the amount of workers which you do need. If I do put this on 250 people, I can do go on to selecting how much each worker will earn. So basically guys, I'm actually going to earn maybe from this particular offer $3.36, and you can just simply go on to giving them a fraction of that money right there. Maybe if I want to be generous enough, I can just simply go on to giving them maybe $1 right now. So if I do put in $1 right now, you can see it says the amount workers will earn is too low, and you just want to make it sure that it's about this amount right here, which is quite okay because you're actually still going to be earning some profit right now on this particular type of offer. So once you do that, fund your account and just simply go on to the next step, which is to apply and go to next, and just simply post your ad on this particular platform or post your offer right now for people to go on to completing, and you do make money with CPA marketing using this simple strategy. And guys, I do hope this video was helpful to you, because with this strategy you can actually make money with CPA marketing right here, and also just by completing some offers on this platform called Sprout. So if this video was helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. Make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Also guys, check out the video which you can see on your screen right now to go on to learning a new trick on CPA marketing.